Hey everyone, Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com, DevOps TV here at Jenkins World. We're live on the expo floor, and I'm joined by Michael Sage of Fugue. Michael, why don't you tell the folks your title?
I am the technical lead for customer engagements at Fugue, which means that I'm out there showing people how our software works, helping them solve problems with it, and generally educating the market about what we do.
Okay, and did you, Michael, not everyone may know Fugue. Why don't you give us a little background?
Yeah, Fugue is a system for governing and orchestrating cloud infrastructure.
Okay,
Right, and so we're here at Jenkins World very specifically focusing on the governance of infrastructure as part of CI and CD, treating infrastructure. We basically have a function called a validation, which serves as kind of a test for infrastructure, so
got it.
that you can fail a build if the infrastructure's configuration violates any compliance rules or any internal policies or any security standards that your organization uses.
Got it, got it. And so, Michael, you've spent 2 days on the floor here talking to people. What kind of insights, anything you want to share with our audience? What do you think about the people?
This is the best Jenkins World I've been to.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
no doubt.
it's upbeat, really positive, a lot more spirited than it has
Yeah.
been. It's always been a good show, but this year it seems
Well,
it
it's a
seems
lot
up
bigger
level.
in the amount of people. But I was talking with KK earlier, and again, I don't have numbers on this, but my impression is that the people here, how when you do support, you got level one support, level two, level three. I think in years past you had level one
Yeah,
Jenkins
yeah,
people. We're now getting level two and level three people who, look, they're already using Jenkins.
yeah.
They're already doing a lot of things with DevOps, CI, CD.
Right.
They've peeled that onion back 12 layers, and
Yeah.
now they're getting the kinds of questions that the level one support guy can't answer.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Well, and I think there's just more pervasive Jenkins knowledge and use
Yes.
out in the market, right? So the technical bar keeps rising. Right?
Yeah,
People's
well, it's a maturity
capacity
of the
that's right.
market,
Yeah,
and that's a good thing. And by the way, it's a Jenkins concert, but it's not Jenkins conference, but it's not just Jenkins, right? I think the same holds true for things like Sauce and BlazeMeter,
Yeah.
the automated testing,
Yep.
or the JFrogs, or the Gits. I think the whole DevOps market and the bigger cloud market behind it
Yep.
is
Yep.
really becoming a lot more sophisticated.
It is, and people are getting much better at testing, and that's actually one of the focuses that I have is the new prominence of infrastructure with the rise of cloud and distributed systems and sort of dynamic and ephemeral application containers and images and such that are out there in these much bigger workloads than we've had in the past. We're getting better at streamlining the testing of the application, of course, but the infrastructure is also just software,
Yeah,
right? And so we have to test that too, and that's one of the things that we've been focusing on.
fantastic. And what about otherwise, Michael? What else has been going on in Fugue?
It's been a good year. We've been launched for about a year.
Right.
The company, like so many startups, had a couple of years of R&D. Wanted to get it right. We introduced the product to the world last August, so it's been about a year. And we've spent the year sort of cultivating relationships and figuring out what works and what doesn't, learning a lot of lessons. And we're really excited about where we're at. We have a lot of really exciting POCs going on, and
Cool, man.
and I think we're doing something that's unique. I think treating infrastructure as software and keeping it compliant from code all the way to lifecycle, all throughout the entire lifecycle, is kind of a
It is.
new domain. So,
Cool, man.
yeah, very
All
excited.
right, well, listen, we
Yeah.
wish you best of luck.
Thank you very much.
My friend
Always
Michael
a pleasure.
Sage, Fugue, here at Jenkins World.
Yeah.
This is Alan Schimmel for DevOps.com and DevOps TV. Thanks, everyone.